Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps on how to draw on a PDF. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Step 1. Open the PDF file where you want to add drawings. Step 2. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with several tools. To start drawing on the PDF, click on the Draw Freehand option. Here, you'll also find tools to draw lines, circles, arrows, and more. Step 3. For this example, I'll select the Draw option. Now, you can freely draw on the PDF file using your mouse. Step 4. At the bottom of the toolbar, you'll find options to customize the color and line thickness of your drawing tool. Adjust these settings to suit your needs, and then continue drawing easily on the PDF. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.